Hi, I am Imran. A few words about me. What do I do? I am digital marketer and SEO professional. I have expert in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit marketing. I can do video editing, graphics design. I complete a long training course from Outsourcing Institute, total digital marketing, and attend many particular projects. I can promote any business or products or service to millions of people worldwide. I am ready to take on a big responsibility. Work for my client with full concentration. So if you need professional for your business, you can hire me. My work platform Fiverr, Upwork, Get a Coder, Freelancer, and all social media. Thank you so much.